Another Magical Mayhem tip number 2.
So one of the most important tips that I wish I had known when I started out was if you get frustrated or you don't feel like it's working out for you, take a moment and just walk away. So what you're doing here is you're clearing your mind, all the clutter, because you've tried the same thing over and over and over and it doesn't work. So you just walk away and you come back to it. With a fresh new outlook, everything is possible. I didn't know that. I just kept at it, I kept at it, I kept at it, I kept at it. I thought, all right, the harder I work at it, the better I'm going to be. The harder I worked at it, the more frustrated I became. And until it finally came to the point that I just walked away for a couple months. I came back with a fresh outlook eventually, after a few months, but I wasted all this time that I could have had. So if I had just spent a couple days on it, realizing it's not working for me, just walk away. Come back to it a day later and start fresh. So most importantly here is just, if you get frustrated, just take a few moments, step away from it. It'll be there waiting for you still. And then you just come back and start where you left off.